Have you wondered if we can use ChatGPT's code interpreter for stock analysis? But before I begin, let me warn you a disclaimer: I'm not a stock expert, I'm not any expert at trading. Please consult your advisor or stockbroker before making any trading decisions. This video is just to illustrate if you are a stockbroker or maybe an expert at investments, maybe you can use it as a kind of augmenter or something which can help you with your analysis. So, here what I did, I downloaded this data for the stocks which are traded at Indian exchanges. We have around 192 stocks here, and I think I downloaded the most active stocks. You can see these are usual suspects. So, high, low, last price, previous close, change, percentage gain. And then I just uploaded it here. So, like I said, I'm not an expert at trading. I just wanted to see if this is something which could be useful for the people who are expert. I used this prompt, which says that you are a stockbroker, analyze this data, and share your recommendations in a nutshell. So it went through the data set, and as you can see, it plotted this chart, which is of distribution of percentage gain. Now, first started with identifying the top 10 performers based on the percentage gain. Remember, this is based on the data set. This is not a very exhaustive data itself. And then it recommended that we should consider these factors as well: volatility, momentum, price strength. And based on what I know about stock markets, I think it really did well because these three are critical factors. And I don't think you can do a proper analysis, thorough analysis, without considering these three factors. So it added them on its own. As you can see, I'm not giving any prompts. It's just went ahead, added these three new metrics to our analysis, and then classified all these stocks in these three categories. I monitored them over a period of two trading sessions. Again, not a very thorough analysis, but just to get some sense if this is of any use. So, as you can see, it had identified CG Power here, and this stock has been doing well. I mean, it could be tempting, but I must warn you, consult your broker or advisor, because I ran few more stocks here and I found that it is really, I mean, at least for this particular analysis, it has done well. So it seems that if you are someone who invests in stocks, and I'll say if you are good at it, then maybe you can use ChatGPT's code interpreter for your analysis. I mean, I won't say that you should solely depend on it for your analysis or making your trading decisions, but at least it can provide you some value, especially if you are good at analysis part. It's just that you need some kind of tool which can help you with your analysis. So you can see I have checked few more. Let me see this one. I think there were few which went down, at least for these two trading sessions, but hopefully, so at least so far so good. If I try to see this one, because right now, remember, stock markets are really tricky. There's a lot of negative news in the market, and we don't know how things might turn out. So it's better to have proper analysis. Don't invest just because you uploaded some file in ChatGPT and you got the results. It looks like a good augmenter. So this stock went down today, but if you review weekly charts, it has gone up. So at least we have found something where it has not followed the predictions. Let me see few more in this particular category, which is lowest volatility. It could be something related to this particular category, but it doesn't look like so. So at this moment, I would say that if you are someone who invests in stocks, is good at stock analysis, at the moment you use some other tool or do it manually, I think you can use $20 subscription to get the code interpreter and use ChatGPT to automate or improve your productivity. All right. And if you are someone who invests in a stock, understand them, then please leave your comments. What do you think if this particular analysis is okay or not okay? Should we have more factors here? So as you can see, it has added these three factors here, but I don't know if we should consider any more factors. So if you are someone who understands stock markets, why don't you share your wisdom with us? Thank you.